Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. From the earliest beginnings of connected vending machines to the latest advancements in automation and data analytics, IoT has been rapidly transforming the way we live and work. In this video, we'll explore the history of this technology and take a look at some of the exciting applications that are shaping the future of IoT. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. IoT has come a long way since its inception in the 1980s, when researchers at Carnegie Mellon University connected a Coke vending machine to the internet. The concept of IoT gained momentum in the late 1990s when Kevin Ashton coined the term while working at Procter & Gamble. The idea was to use RFID tags to improve supply chain management, but the potential of IoT went far beyond that. As IoT technology continued to evolve, companies began investing heavily in it. By the early 2010s, IoT had become a hot topic, and the world was taking notice. IoT devices can now be found in homes, offices, and factories, and they are used to collect and analyze data, automate processes, and improve efficiency. One of the most exciting applications of IoT is in healthcare. With wearable devices and sensors, healthcare professionals can remotely monitor patients' health and intervene early when necessary. IoT is also being used to improve traffic management and reduce congestion in cities, as well as to optimize agriculture and increase crop yields. But as IoT continues to evolve and expand, there are concerns about privacy and security. IoT devices are often connected to the internet, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. It's important to address these concerns and ensure that the benefits of IoT are balanced against the risks. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Internet of Things and the incredible ways in which this technology is transforming our world. From connected vending machines to the latest advancements in automation and data analytics, IoT has come a long way, and it's exciting to think about what the future holds. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.